Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video we'll be showing you how to sign up for Spotify with your Facebook or Google. Did you sign up for Spotify with Facebook or Google? Here's how to log in the right way. Let's go ahead and start the video. Go ahead and click on the top left corner which has initial of your name, circular thing, and then go ahead and click on add account. Now click on the option of login and continue with Google or continue with Facebook. Now you will have to enter your mobile number or email. Now if you forgot your password, go ahead and click on the forgot password and then just simply type in your mobile number and it will send you a code, and then you can search by email and it will send you a link or it will send you a code through SMS, and just simply enter the code or your link code and you'll be able to go back to your Spotify account. You'll be able to log in with your Spotify account with Facebook or Google. Now once you choose the right account, Spotify will log you in automatically. No password typing needed. And that's it. Quick, simple, just one tap and you're back into your music. I hope this video helped you log into Spotify using Facebook or Google. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.